Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to insert a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file. That is this one here, and we have some data. So to say about the pivot table option, it is available here under the Insert tab in the Tables panel over here, this one. But before you can insert a pivot table, you have to convert the data into a table first. So let us see how do we do that. So place your cursor somewhere inside the data over here. It can be anywhere, but it should be inside the set of data you have. So I'll keep my cursor over here. Just imagine. Now press and hold the control key from the keyboard and the letter T. So I'll see this kind of a dialog box, and here you can see the range of cells of these data. You don't have to make any changes over here. Just click on OK. So this is how you prepare your data for the pivot table. So now we can insert a pivot table. So place your cursor anywhere inside the table over here. So I'll place my cursor maybe over here. Now come to the insert tab here, and in the tables panel you can click on the pivot table option here. So you'll see a new dialog box named as create pivot table. So in the first option, select a table or range. The table one is already selected since we had placed our cursor in the table already. Got it? Now the next step is it is asking for choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. You can select the new worksheet if you want the pivot table to be in the new worksheet. It will be in a new worksheet, maybe in the sheet 2. But if you want the pivot table on the same worksheet, you have to click on the option existing worksheet, and you have to select a cell here from where you want the pivot table to start. So I'll place my cursor over here, and we can see the cell address over here. Now click on OK. And now we have applied the pivot table, and you can see the pivot table fields over here. We'll work in the pivot table fields in the next video. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.